Hello guys, in this video I will compare DocMoS and Outline to see which is the best open source wiki platform in 2025. So let's explore their major differences. Number 1, setup and hosting. Outline offers both self-hosted and managed cloud versions. The setup for self-hosting is well documented but it requires Docker knowledge. On the other hand, DocMoS is extremely lightweight and easier to deploy locally. It's ideal for smaller teams or users with limited technical skills. Number 2, interface and usability. Outline features a sleek, Notion-style interface with theme folders, nested document, and easy drag and drop organizing, while DocMoS is much more minimalist, which is great for those who want speed over aesthetics. However, Outline's UX is generally better for larger teams collaborating frequently. Number 3, features and collaboration tools. Outline supports real-time editing, access control, version history, and Markdown support, while DocMost focuses on simplicity and Markdown purity, but it lacks robust permission systems. If your team needs role-based access or collaborative editing, Outline is far more capable. Number 4, their search and organization. Outline comes with a powerful search bar, tagging, and hierarchical nesting, while DocMost has basic search but no tag or category filters. For information-heavy wikis, Outline wins in navigation. Number 5, community and support. Outline has a large GitHub community, regular updates, and growing plugin support, while DocMoS is newer, more niche, and has lower development but appeals to devs who want a no-frills approach. So for final verdict, if you are a startup or dev team looking for a fast, clean Markdown-based wiki, DocMoS is perfect for you. But for bigger teams that needs full collaboration and robust search, Outline is the best choice for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.